Assembly to lead its colleagues in the recitation of the Councilor's Creed.
The Councilor's Creed. I am a Philippine Councilor, mandated by law to enact measures and ordinances that redound to the general welfare of my constituents and their pursuit for happiness, peace, and prosperity. I believe in public service above self as the guiding principle of my official acts and as I tread the pathways of local legislation. May the Almighty guide my mind and heart, and I shall be true to my constituents as a Filipino people.
Secretary of the Sangguniang is under direction to conduct the roll call. Typical may be the roll.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding. Today, June 13, 2025, say President opinion is called. Honorable Marcos Mamay. Honorable Abdullah Pamanay. Honorable Nasima Alando. Honorable Amir Ampatua. Honorable Mahalia Makatanong. Honorable Armida Lamba. Honorable Nur Amin Sanayon. Honorable Julmar Masinbil. Honorable Sumirado Maruhong. Honorable Ati Maguindanao. And Honorable Eksan Binasing. So we have 11 present, Mr. Presiding, and no absent. We have 4.
So we have 11 members present and no members absent. So quorum is mustered. Thereby the session shall proceed. So we are now interleading in the consideration of the minutes of the previous session. Since this is our inaugural session, so we still do not have the minutes. Therefore, we shall proceed to the next item of the order of business. So is there any objection from the members? There being none, how we shall proceed?
No objection.
So we are now in the privileged hour. So any member of this august body who wishes to express his sentiments concerning matters of public interest and avail of the privileged hour. So there being none, we shall proceed to the next item. So is there any objection? So again, there being none, we shall proceed to the next item. We are now in the question hour. So, Ms. Secretary, do we have guests who wish to make allusions to this august body?
We have here, Mr. Presiding Officer, we are honored by the presence of the Honorable Mayor, Siti Noralia bin Mamay. And we also have with us our PILG LGOO, Ma'am Julian Sasil.
We are happy to welcome our esteemed guest, the Honorable Mayor, Siti Noralia Mamay. May we please request our Principal Mayor to take the floor to address the Honorable Sangguniang. Thank you, Mayor, for visiting this inaugural session of the Sangguniang. So we are So, thank you, Mayor, for a short but concise and worthy word of encouragement for us in the municipality of Nanuma. So, Mr. Secretary, do we have communication received by the office of Sangguniang?
We have none, Mr. Presiding Officer.
So, Mr. Secretary, do we have proposed measures for our considerations and action?
We have one, Mr. Presiding. We have draft resolution number 28, series of 2025, a resolution fixing the date, time, and venue of the regular session of the Sangguniang Bayan every Monday of the week at 9 o'clock in the morning at the SB Session Hall, Nunungan Government Center, Baga, Nunungan, Lanao del Norte, introduced by Honorable Councilor Lord Lisa Naim.
So, the proposed measure as well by the Secretary is to be calendared consideration and action under the business for the day of the calendar of the business. So, is there any objection? So, there being none, we shall proceed with the next item, the order of business. So we are now in the item committee reports. Since this is August body's inaugural session, we still have to organize and constitute our committees. Therefore, we shall proceed to the next item. Is there again any objection? Okay, so there being none, we will proceed with the calendar of business. So, since this is an inaugural session, we have no unfinished business to tackle, and thus we shall proceed to the next item. Ms. Secretary, what's our next item in the order of business?
We are now in the business for the day, Mr. Presiding Officer. So for this Honorable Sangguniang Calendar Draft Resolution number 28, Series of 2025, a resolution fixing the day, time, and venue of the regular session of the Sangguniang Bayan of the Municipality of Nunungan, Lanao del Norte to every Monday at 9 o'clock in the morning at the SB Session Hall, Nunungan Government Center, Baga, Nunungan, Lanao del Norte, introduced by Honorable Councilor Ramil Isanayan.
Okay, so we have a motion from the floor.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I move for the adoption of resolution to fix the date, time, and place of the regular session of the Sangguniang Bayan of the Nunungan, Lanao del Norte.
So we have a motion from Councilor Macatano. So is there any second?
I second the motion.
So it has been put by Honorable Councilor Macatano and duly seconded by Honorable Binasig to adopt a resolution to fix day, time, and place of the regular session of Sangguniang Bayan, Nunungan, Lanao del Norte. Hereby approved. So we are now in an assigned business. Since we have none, we shall proceed to the next item. Ms. Secretary, do you have announcements?
None, Mr. Presiding Officer.
So, since we have no more matters to discuss in this inaugural session of the Honorable Sangguniang Bayan, the Municipality of Nunungan in the province of Lanao del Norte, we shall adjourn the session. Is there any objection?
There being none, Mr.
So
President.
there being none, so this inaugural session is adjourned. Thank you and congratulations to everyone.